what are you doing at the event?
Well, Blue Key CBD, we've been here for, it'll be 8 years in November. We have a micro, we have cultivation and manufacturing in District 3. And then we just launched our comprehensive tincture, which is 1,600 milligrams THC, 400 milligrams CBD, CBG, through Hyrule Cannabis. That will hit the dispensary shelves on the comprehensive site.
So what are people smoking that for?
It's a tincture, so this will be...
I'm sorry.
I don't know, you've met Jim, my husband.
Yep.
He's broken his back 3 different times. The last time was in 23.
On 3 separate occasions?
3 separate occasions.
Oh my God.
Yeah, bad.
Wow.
I mean, so talk about back pain, he's got back pain.
Oh my God, I bet he
we
does.
got into CBD because it helped him back in 2017. It helped me. I was a stressed out mom, right? So it helped me with my anxiety, calmness, sleeping. It helped him with actual mobility.
Yep.
So in 23, when he broke his back, he does not do opioids. I mean, like heart rate goes in
Really?
the 20s and
Wow.
30s, where they do cardiac
no.
workups and like your heart's fine.
So he can't do it?
No, like he literally, it puts him in so low, like breathing goes really low, and he's like, I got a better formula, like no opioids, but he's like, no, my tincture's better, right?
I gotcha.
So this is
Okay.
the tincture. When you break your back, it's surgery, a brace, or you have to lay down and be still.
Yeah.
You can't
Traction.
You can't even really sit because that'll fuck up the healing. I probably shouldn't curse, sorry. It messes up your healing.
Okay. Sometimes people get emotional about these topics, and that's okay.
Going through several breaks together, it's traumatizing.
It is.
It's
I'm sure it is,
painful,
yeah.
and when you can't take pain meds because it literally will kill you, you
So
have
what
to
do you
find
do?
solutions.
Right.
So this tincture that we created, and it's been about a little over 2 years in research and development. It's what he used to get him up in within 3 weeks. So he's standing, he's right here, he's doing well. We have moments of pain, of course.
Right.
But we have a lot of people that were asking for it, so we decided to go for it and give it a try.
That's
Blue
awesome.
Key's been around here in Missouri for a while, and figured why not try on this side too. Plus, it'll help fund our micro, right? We're social equity because we don't have the funds, and so we got to find a way to make funds, and this is one of our ways to get funds so that we can fund our micro.
Every time I talk to somebody about the micro business program, I'm telling it how it works. They're like, "How are you going to make that work?"
Well, there's other states that have give actually like $200,000 to $500,000 to the applicants that have won. So they have grants. Missouri,
at least to get them started,
did not do any type of grants or money program, and because it wasn't in the Constitution.
Right.
Now, could they do a rule? Could they do something?
Absolutely,
that
they
would
could.
help?
Absolutely, they could.
Right. But that's changes. That's litigation. I mean, that's all above my.
We're just trying to open a business. We don't have to be in court and tied up with that kind of stuff to try and
We
get
don't
things
have the money.
Right, yeah. Exactly.
We're social equity.
Right.
We don't have the money to have lawyers
100%,
in their court.
100%.
We don't have the time because most micros too are still working 9 to 5. Right?
yeah.
They still have a full-time job. This micro can't be their full-time because they don't have the money for it. So to expect them, it's a catch-22, But I think if we all work together, if we all just realize that for the micro to work, we have to be collaborative. We have to work together. We might not all have to like each other, but we have to want each other to succeed. We all have to find a way to, because if one collapses, it's going to be a domino effect, and we'll all collapse. And we have to show Missouri that we can do it.
Wouldn't that be nice?
And that we will succeed. Together we will. We will. It's just, it's going to take time, and it's going to take the figuring out of the bullshit. But it will happen.
Right. Well, I like that you hit on cannabis as medicine. That's one thing that people don't talk about enough.
It is the only medicine that, I'm a plant nerd. So I'm a certified forager.
Oh, no way.
I go and find food.
Let's go for a walk.
Right? No, we could probably find food out here.
I would love that, actually. I love that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it does, when you get out in there, I love puzzles, like seek and find, stuff like that. So when you get out in nature and you realize the abundance that God put here for us, and that is edible and ready for us, so is cannabis. It's the same thing. God put it here for us to eat, to smoke, to ingest. It creates flowers, it creates love, and there's so many plants out there, and all pharmas are based off of plants anyway.
Yeah, right, yeah, absolutely.
So once we utilize the entourage, the full plant to its potential, then I mean, yes, plant medicine. Sorry, I
For
can
sure,
go on and on and on
100%.
about the
Yeah, well, people in this industry are passionate about this topic,
and it truly helps. I mean, I know people that have gotten cancer surgeries, and this is what they use versus, the opioids.
And so many reasons why you might use cannabis for cancer or for anything, to help you sleep, to help increase your appetite, to take your appetite away, all kinds of different things.
Well, and there's still so much stigma. So some people are still so scared of even I think there's people that want to try it, but they're scared to even walk into a dispensary. So once we start normalizing and start educating this plant, yes, it's had such bad propaganda, it's had such bad, for over 80 years, right?
Right,
They've been demonizing this plant.
Right, yeah.
So once we show that we are productive, we are workers, we're not lazy bums just laying around getting high, and that it does work for people, that education will start hopefully flipping the script of looking at this alternative versus just jumping to what your doctor's prescribes the first time on it.
Sure.
I don't know. I think we need to get more in tune to listening to our own bodies.
Oh, for sure. For sure. And a lot of times people don't.
No, they don't.
They put, they're having a little crick back here, they're having a problem, they'll put that off. I'm busy, I'll put that off till later. I'm having a little stomach up, so I'm just going to eat whatever I want anyway.
I'm getting old, right?
Yeah,
so
right,
different. Oh,
yep.
I did this. Well, it's like, no, your
it's
body's
not.
telling you something.
Yes, you're right. Absolutely
Stop,
right.
pay attention.
Boom. Boom, you're absolutely right. I agree with you 100%.
Once we start learning to listen, following our intuition. And people, plants are fucking, they're here for a reason.
They're earthlings.
They're earthlings. They are sentient beings just like us.
They are.
They do. You can talk to your plants and they will grow beautiful. You can call, I've done this experiment with mice.
I've done this too.
You can yell at
curse
them, and they will wither.
They will. They'll wither and die.
And yet, we think why, we do that to each other, and it's like that little part of us is withering inside when you talk to ugly, and that part will blossom when you're talked to with love.
Sure.
So, the more we can do more talking of just acceptance and love and no judgment, then.
I heard a really cool thing the other day, an inspirational thing online that I thought was like a Buddhist kind of a saying. Is a teacher is talking to some students, and he says, you're carrying a cup of coffee and someone bumps into you. What spills out of your coffee? And some of the guys had some different answers. A coffee's going to spill out of my, nothing's, I moved out of the way, those kind of things. And the teacher said, right. What?
You got to be optimistic in this industry.
Whatever was in your cup, that's the same way in life. Whatever bumps into you and how you react, that's what's inside of you. That's what spills out of you. So you can tell when somebody's full of anger or love or hope or whatever by how they react to different situations.
Right, and it's on us, and that's a lot of. Right, don't be a dick. Right?
Don't be an ass bag, right?
Don't be an ass bag. Don't be a dick. This is an industry where you have to build relationships. Yes, exactly.
Fun science fact. So these ones that do saplings, right? I hate it when you do that.
Join the conversation.
No, so saplings, especially conifer pine, things like that, they know through the mycorrhizae, I'm going to say it wrong,
you're right.
in the ground which saplings are theirs, and they will funnel nutrients to their children. You can't tell me that's not sentient behavior.
No, that is sentient behavior. And it's the whole forest rule. So it could also be hey, we're having trouble with these grasslands. Yeah. And then the mushrooms will come and say, I need to eat you, and grow big mushrooms that are edible and delicious.
Sure.
I think it's more beautiful than decay.
Right? It might be ugly, but there's something beautiful that comes out with it.
Have you guys met this guy?
I met
This handsome gentleman?
Yes.
So you know where to find all the good morels in the state, don't you?
I love morel mushrooms.
She won't tell you where,
I am
though.
on the hunt for some
She's
good
not-
morels.
So right now you will find chicken of the woods, hen of the woods for mushrooms, some oysters. Morels, they were very good this year, but not in my spots. I was pretty upset. I only found 2.
Oh, wow.
But I didn't really get time to go out as much as I wanted.
Sure.
But right now, I'm getting ready to go home. We have so many pawpaws, autumn olives,
What?
spice
Really?
bushberries.
Oh, wow, you're so lucky. That's very...
Everything just lit up.
Well, if you're going to be it.
I have literally the autumn olives. It's an invasive plant here in Missouri, but the berries on them, you can make ketchup, jam, barbecue sauce out of.
Oh, wow.
So I'll go and harvest those, and and we need to cut some down too. But you can make.
So you're doing two things at once. You're harvesting something that you can enjoy, and you're getting rid of, or trying to help.
The invasive population.
Right, yeah, try and keep that down. And that's so important. Do you know I have a favorite invasive species, do you?
My favorite invasive might have to be the autumn olive. Unfortunately, it needs to be eradicated, but I like the berries.
I like the dandelion.
Oh, the dandelion's pure medicine, though. I mean,
But it's still an invasive
you can
species.
use
It's not from here.
Every part of that, the roots, the leaves,
yep.
the flower,
Yep.
every part of that. I mean, you can use it as alternative coffee.
I believe it originally came from Europe.
I believe you're right, but during like when people were doing the trails,
Oh, yeah, sure.
they brought a lot of seeds and food from other countries. And
Sure,
of
yeah.
course, you can find it on trails.
Thank God it's an invasive species that they brought. It's everywhere in the world, from what I understand, except for maybe Antarctica.
I have no idea. I never looked at that, but that could be. I mean, that would make sense.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
It's fucking cool.
Right. Yeah.
We're not allowed to see it.
That's a different podcast. We're not the conspiracy
Oh, we
show.
are
That's a
too.
different.
We are too.
It's not a conspiracy
all
as
the
it's
same.
facts.
It's not a conspiracy when it comes true, is it?
All right. You're right. Okay. Well, thanks
thank
so
you,
much.
guys.
Yeah. Thanks so much for
Thanks.
talking to me. I appreciate your time.
How far are you from opening?
Miles. I've got nothing done.
Yeah, we're the
nothing.
same.
Yeah,
We
nothing.
just had to ask for an extension, so we will see.
Well, if you ever want to come on the podcast, you want to do something like what we just did, I'm open to that.
All right. Well, if I can find time, I have no idea. I'm not to be rude, but it's.
No, don't be. I mean, don't worry about it.
Okay.
If you scan that, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I know you already have my contact information, but here's a business card anyway.
Oh, these are good. These stickers? Yeah.
I have a sticker. There you go. Oh. Here, you can have
Give
a
it her
couple.
one first. Wait a minute. Well,
There
you
you
guys
go.
are going to be here the rest of the night?
Yeah, we'll be here the rest of the day.
Yeah, I think it's 3.
4, I think.
4?
I think. I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot.
You know what? We just go with the flow.
Right,
Let it
yeah,
happen.
exactly, right. Whenever it's over, we're going to be ready to go.
Exactly. It's been a long 3 days.
It really has. I'm still excited to finish up, but I'm ready for it to be
This
over.
is, to make it in this industry, you've got to come to these.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
You've got to network.
Yeah.
You've got to
Yeah.
meet the people that are doing it and learn from them. I mean, a lot of them will give you advice on what to do, and how to approach it. But you just have to be here to do it.
For sure, yeah,
Make these
right.
connections. And this
Exactly.
Is, you're doing it. So
Right on.
that's what counts.
Social Equity in Missouri Cannabis is here. Thanks to MJ Unpacked. Thanks for having us here this year.
That's right.
It's been a great event. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you.